A typical epcube system consists of a hybrid inverter, smart gateway, and the epcube mobile app to assist with commissioning. Regarding functionality, the hybrid unit is an integrated inverter. Up to 6 battery modules can be installed on one hybrid. The smart gateway handles power distribution and smart functions and is also the power hub, which also has dedicated extend ports for an optional PV inverter, an EV charger, and/or a generator connection. The epcube system supports both whole home backup and partial home backup scenarios. Under whole home backup scenarios, all the loads for a home need to be connected to epcube smart gateway as backup loads. All household appliances can be powered by the epcube in the event that the grid power goes out. Under partial home backup scenarios, essential backup loads need to be connected to the epcube smart gateway. The epcube works as the auxiliary steward of the power system, and only essential loads will be backed up and powered by epcube in the event of a grid outage. epcube can support AC coupled and DC coupled scenarios. For those who have already installed on-grid PV system, the existing on-grid PV inverter can be connected to epcube smart gateway extend port. For those who don't have PV system and want to install PV system, the new PV modules can be connected to epcube hybrid inverter directly, which can support 4 MPPTs. epcube is a flexible and intelligent residential energy storage system, intended for smart solar power generation and residential electricity consumption management. The device is easy to install and available for remote control, with energy capacity at your discretion. Small in size, it is safe and reliable. The smart gateway works for home power generation and consumption management. By connecting with the utility grid, PV, epcube hybrid, third-party devices such as EV charger and solar inverter, and home appliances. The hybrid is an integrated energy storage product that combines battery modules, base, and hybrid inverter. Due to the modular design of the epcube system, the hybrid unit has a wide range of capacities to choose from, with up to 6 battery modules per one hybrid unit, and up to 6 hybrid units in a full epcube system for large-scale applications. This hybrid inverter can charge or discharge battery modules, and some of the specifications are listed here for reference. This is battery module which capacity is 3.3 kilowatt-hours for each module, and some of the specifications are listed here for reference. This is the base that will be installed at the bottom of hybrid, and some of the specifications are listed here for reference. There are also optional accessories that can be installed with the epcube system. These components are chosen on a case-by-case basis. The battery module kit is a battery module that expands the battery capacity. The epcube system supports 3 different operation modes: self-consumption, time of use, and backup. The self-consumption mode will use stored solar energy to power your home during the day and after the sun goes down. Time of use mode enables time-based control, providing the best cost efficiency if energy rates, peak times, vary through the day. With backup mode, batteries are charged and energy is reserved for use only in case of power failure. The user can set a reserve state of charge so that the batteries reserve some partial charge in the event of a power/grid failure. The epcube mobile app is the primary user interface of the epcube system, also used by the installer to commission and configure the system. It gives the user complete control, real-time data monitoring functions, and more.